Edo Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don vow say im go pursue all the criminals comot from Edo State and restore peace for the heartbeat of the nation. The governor talked this one on Monday during the swearing-in ceremony of new appointees. Our Tory person Osaze David Isehenre report say the ceremony shele for Festival Hall inside Government House for Benin City. For the ceremony, Emmanuel Okoebor dey sworn in as Commissioner for Finance, Padi Iyamu as the chairmo of Edo State Universal Basic Education Board SUBEB, and retired Commissioner of Police Friday Ibadin as Corps Commander of Edo State Security Corps. Governor Okpebholo contrary salute to the new appointees for their hard work and dedication and come yarn dem say make dem use their positions take uplift Edo State, focus on improving education, better security and better management of the state money so that Edo go develop weller and dey better for everybody.
Edo first, before your personal goal, out of trust and believe in you, your hard work, I know you are going to rebuild our educational system. When we say New Edo is rising, this is the time to show it. For the security man, I believe in you. You have been a commissioner of police. You are not just a pushover. It is time to pursue the criminals and send them out of our land. The finance commissioner also, you've been there and you know the job. You have not just come in today as somebody we just pick on the street. You have experience in banking. And your experience, you have to bring it to bear to save our land, save our money for us, and let us use the money to develop our state.
The new Finance Commissioner Emmanuel Okoebor wey talk on behalf of the others come assure the governor and the people of Edo say them go work with the governor to make sure say the governor's 5-point development agenda succeed.
I want to first of all thank God for this opportunity to serve the good people of Edo State. I also want to thank the executive governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebholo, and the deputy governor, Right Honorable Dennis Idausa, and the other members of the executive council. We are committed to support the governor to achieve his 5-point agenda orders so that Edo will be better. And that's our commitment. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Some Ogboge people wait and for the swearing-in ceremony now. Edo Deputy Governor Honorable Dennis Idausa, Secretary to the Edo State Government Barrister Musa Ikhilo, Chief of Staff to the Governor Gani Audu, Edo State Head of Service Dr. Anthony Okugbawa, Permanent Secretaries, among others. Make una not forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am, we not dey take blame. From Government House Benin City, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.